Whoever invented the key was a genius. Do you know how it opens the lock? First we cut the lock open to see its inner workings. You can see that the housing and the cylinder are made up of several vertical slots, each of which has a spring as well as 2 metal pins. When we insert the correct key, you can see that the key will push up each metal pin, then each slot between the 2 metal pins and the lock cylinder will form a straight line, so you can use the key to turn the lock cylinder can be unlocked. If the wrong key is inserted, the metal pins will not be aligned with the cylinder and the key cannot be turned to open the lock. Understanding this process, it is easy to understand the principle of locksmith lock picking. And then the precision of the lock cylinder in the manufacture of the tolerance, as long as a metal chip first to the lock core attention, so that the smallest tolerance of the metal pin will be the first to jam the lock core, you use the metal hooks to rattle when you will feel the difference. When the top of this metal chipping, the top of the drive chipping will be stuck on the top, so one by one to try, and eventually will twist the lock cylinder to open the lock. So what is the principle of a safe combination lock? The safe combination locker is made up of 3 metal wheels, the third being a drive wheel that is controlled directly by the dial and has a raised metal pin on each wheel. When we turn the drive wheel, eventually the drive wheel pin collides with the second wheel pin and turns the second wheel. By the same token, continued rotation drives the first wheel to turn. When the first wheel turns to the specified number, the drive wheel turns backward and toggles the second wheel to the specified number, and then it's a matter of toggling the drive wheel to the specified number. At this point you will find that the grooves on all 3 wheels are in the same position, then turn the unlocking device will open the safe. So do you know how to open a safe without a combination?